Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can enable something similar to Code Interpreter for free on the Claude website. This is a new feature from Claude, and that now we are able to upload the CSV file. Then we can analyze that and visualize data. This is how the functionality will look. And this is based on the Claude 3.5 Sonnet's coding ability, which was updated 2 or 3 days back, and it can handle CSV files. This feature enables Claude to write and run JavaScript code and allows for the data processing, analysis, and real-time insights generation. This feature is available to all the Claude users for free. I'm sure most of you don't know how to enable it. So I'll be showing you that, and it can process data processing, cleaning, exploring, and analyzing. This enables us to drill down deep into our actual CSV file and give us more insights for our data. So let's see how we can enable it. I don't have a paid account right now. If you don't have a paid account, all you can do is you can go here and click on the feature preview here. By default, it's disabled. You need to click on this toggle button and you just click on this toggle to properly display the math functions. That's how easy it is to enable this. And here you can see using this icon, it's shown that this feature is now enabled. And if you click it, you can disable it as if you don't want that enabled. Now let's test this out whether it works or not. Let's add a content, and I have like a CSV file here, which is a keyword research that I did, and I exported it as a CSV file. Can you give me key insights from this document? As you can see, that file I was not able to upload because it exceeded the context window. I decided to do a search on how this works. Here is the data that I found. So we don't have like a fixed limit on the context window here, but for the free Claude account, it says that Claude's context window and the daily message limit vary based on the demand, and Claude will notify you if your prompt exceeds the available context window. And if you reach your daily limit, the message quota will reset every morning. For the paid members, this has at least 5x usage compared to the free service. That's the context window that we can use. So in order to test it out, I had like a smaller document to see if this is working or not. This is also another keyword research that I did, and it's comparatively small. That's the biggest letdown. I'm sure that the quality of the analysis will be great, but we are limited to the lower context window here. Click on enter and see how let's see if it's kicking into this code. As you can see, this is the difference. Now it's some JavaScript code, and it's doing the processing. It's going through the actual data, and it's giving us some insights here. Task, can you give me some key insights from this document? Based on the analysis, gives the overall search volume on the keyword. It's giving me some good data. So let's ask, can you visualize this for me? Let's see if it's able to visualize this data. So it's opening that artifact and it's giving us the visualization. The Claude 3.5 has improved. I am using this more than GPT-4. Ever since the 3.5 Sonnet released, this is my go-to tool, and I believe for most of you watching, it's the same for you guys. As you look at the insights, it looks neat and clean, and it's giving us a lot of information. There are 67 keywords. You can see the advantage. Rather than looking at a CSV file, we can understand more information quickly and can take action based on the actual information. I am on getting all these insights. The top individual keyword is Jesus in India, and the keyword distribution is all the volume distribution is also given in a chart, and bar graph as for the highest keyword. Just want to show you that this feature do exist, and most of you are not using it. If you learned something new, please do share and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.